We now return to convenience stores on Modern Marvels. In our rapid-paced, time-crunched world, convenience stores are the pit stop for people on the go. While 2/3 of sales come at the gas pump, it's pick-me-up meals, snacks, and beverages that produce big profits.
$5.78.
But in just about every convenience store, you'll also find some long-time favorites. Classics that draw customers back again and again. This frozen concoction is known by several names, but it's best identified by its signature sound. Slurpee is 7-Eleven's name for this mixture of flavored syrup, water, and CO2 in a cup. Over 6 billion have been sold since 1966, with sales topping $170 million a year in the U.S. alone. But the amazing thing about this brain freeze producer is its origin. It was invented by accident during the late 50s in a small Kansas convenience store.
A gentleman by the name of Omar Knetlik had a fountain machine which broke on a hot summer day, and he put some bottles of Coca-Cola in a freezer.
What came out of that freezer was a slushy carbonated drink that his customers love. But today's Slurpee isn't the same as the original. A mid-90s change in dispenser technology ushered in a new era of the icy treat.
The big innovation came when the machine was able to combine water with a special syrup that allowed the CO2 to absorb it, and that gives that creamy consistency, fluffy consistency.
Making a perfect Slurpee time after time is a blend of science and technology. And it starts here at FBD, Frozen Beverage Dispensers in San Antonio, Texas. On the plant floor, dispensers are assembled one by one. Over 1,000 separate parts go into making each machine, considered a major advance over the previous version.
The evolution of electronics, of sensor technology has allowed us to develop a whole new piece of equipment here. It's basically a chemical plant in a box.
A mixing module pumps water, syrup, and CO2 into the dispenser, where they're blended together. Then, the mixture is fed into one of several 18-inch chilled aluminum barrels housed within the machine's cold chamber. The icy mixture pours from the dispenser at temperatures between 24 and 28 degrees, with the sugar and the syrup acting as an anti-freezing agent. An electronic circuit board controls the dispenser's operation.
We have sensors throughout this machine that are monitoring various elements of flow, heat transfer, and those sensors then are feeding information to a very sophisticated computer program.
The computer monitors the mixture inside the barrels for its ice content, while a rotating dasher stirs the product to keep it mixed.
The challenge in making that perfect product is that we want a smooth, creamy texture when it comes out of here. That means the exact ice content has to be maintained, and usually that's about 60% ice.
Since 1996, FBD has manufactured over 40,000 frozen drink dispensers.
Today, our equipment is in just about every 7-Eleven store in the United States. Frozen drinks, Slurpee drinks are fun, and that's what gets people coming back.